getting rid of a lens flare. What we have here is an image that we need to get rid of this lens flare in the middle of it. So we're going to find out with a technique of which we can do so. So I'm going to start by going to my elliptical marquee tool. With my elliptical marquee tool going, I want to set my feather. I know I want a large feather, so I'm going to try about 50 pixels. Now to draw it from the center out, I'm putting my mouse in the very center of this orange circle, hold down my Shift key and my Alt key at the same time, click my mouse and drag it out till it kind of matches the size. And that's pretty close. I can nudge it over my arrow keys, try to line it up a little bit better. Now a good way to find out how much feather we have on this image, on this selection, if I hit my Q key, I would temporarily go into quick mask. And now I can see how soft this edge is on that selection. I'll go my Q again to take me out of my quick mask. Now I have my selection. Now what I need to do now is find out what my target is and what my sample is. So I'm going to go to my eyedropper tool. Now with the eyedropper tool activated, I need to go up here at the top. At this time I'm going to choose 5 by 5 because I need to go as broad a range of pixels as possible. And I'm going to zoom in as much as I can right here to find I need to find a very clean spot. Make sure I'm not getting one of these black spots. Right there, it looks real clean. So I'll go to my color sampler tool and click. Now I need to go over to the outside of the orange circle and find another real clean section without the dots. And I'm going to click again. It gives me another color sample. Now if my info tool is up, my info palette, I can see the numbers. Number 1, this is the ones with the orange in it. Number 2, that's going to be my target. This is where I want to go to. So what I need to do now is pull this over so I can see it. I'll pull up my curves. At the bottom of my layers palette, click, and a new curves adjustment layer. Now what I need to do is do this one channel at a time. In my channels RGB, I'm going to drop this down and go to red. So notice up here my red is 106. I need to change this 106 so it's going to match 76. So I'm going to click in here, drag it up and down till I get pretty close to my 106. I can also type this in, but it's good to start it first because it just doesn't type in right. Now 106 and I want 76. Here, and I can type in the 76. There it is. Now I'm going to go to my green. My green is 95. My target for that green is 83. Come here, click and drag this down. 95. I hit it quick and easy. Come in here and I'm going to type in 83. Now my last one on my blue is 99. So hit my drop down. Go to 99. My target on the 99 will be to 94. So I'm going to go 99. Kind of hard to get it, so I'm going to use my arrow keys and type in 99. And 94 is already there, so that was great. And go OK. Now I'm going to hit Control minus to back my image out a little bit, try to see what's happening. Pull my info palette back out of the way. Pull my layers palette back out of the way. Let's turn this on and off to see what's happening. Fairly clean. Now what you might want to do at this point is you're in your mask. If you like, you can take your brush, a regular brush tool, and you can soften up these edges. And this time I'm going to take my white brush, a low opacity, about 20, somewhere in that range. And I'm just going to try to brush in these little edges here to clean that up. Now if I want to get rid of my target points, I can. If I hold down my Shift key and my Alt key, going to give me a little pair of scissors, and I can cut those out of there. There it is after. There it is before. Thank you.